In this video, I'll show you how to save ChatGPT conversations as PDF documents. To get started, go ahead and open ChatGPT on your device. Once you're on ChatGPT, head over into a conversation that you want to save as a PDF. Right-click on that conversation tab and click on the print button. Now a pop-up will pop up on your screen. So on the pop-up, you'll be able to find this interface. Set the destination to save as PDF. To be able to save this conversation as a PDF, click on the pages and set this to all, and click on the layout and set it to landscape. So as you can see in here, it is not quite visible since it's in a portrait version. So click on this and click on landscape. Now you'll be able to view your ChatGPT conversations in landscape. So you can go ahead and set up more settings for this, such as paper size, pages per sheet, margin, scale, and other options. So after you do this, go ahead and click on the save button to save your ChatGPT conversations as a PDF to your device. And that's basically how you can save ChatGPT conversations as PDF document. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.